Welcome back to social science class. In previous class, we were discussing about the what is the meaning of development. In today's class, we are going to talk more on income and other goals. Only money can't buy anything, right? Some of the factors it will be we can get money, get it from money, but some will be which not be depend on money. So money or material things that can buy with the factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. What are that? If you get a job in a far off place, before accepting it you would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as facility for your family, school for your children, working atmosphere, and opportunity to learn. And example 2, we can say a job may give you high pay but not job security, and also no time for your family. This will be reduce your sense of security and freedom. Example 3, if you have taken, if women are engaged in the paid work, their dignity in the household society increases. However, it is also case that if there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up the variety of jobs and or run a business. Hence, the development goals that people have are not only about better income but also about the important things in life like sense of security, freedom, opportunity, etc. So, what are the average income? How can we make it? Average income is an important criteria for development. To check that the criterion for the development of countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Countries with higher income are more developed than the others with less income. This is based on the understanding that uh, more income means more of all of the things that human beings need, whatever the people like and should have, they will be able to get the greater income. So far, so greater income itself considered to be a important goal here. What are the criterion used by the UNDP? United Nations Development Program has used the criterion of Human Development Index to measure the development of countries, that is HDI, Human Development Index, on the basis of per capita income. What is the per capita income? When the total national income of the country is divided by its population, we get per capita income. Life expectancy is the second one. It measures to the average age of person in a country. It helps to know about the health facilities of a country. Literacy rate, education, also one of the most important criteria for the development of a country. About HDI, I have to tell more about this. Means HDI stands for Human Development Index. It may be defined and the process of winding people's choice as well as raising the level well-being. The concept of HDI goes to beyond the income growth to cover almost all human choices, inputs in the people. At the center stage, the covers aspect of human development with the object of improving conditions of the people angers. What are the component here? One is the life expectancy. Already we have studied that. Per capita income, literacy rate. Other than that, we are having gross enrollment ratio of the three levels, which means enrollment ratio of for primary schools, secondary school, and higher education beyond the secondary level. Next is sustainable development. What is a sustainable development? Sustainability of the development means economic development without any damage to the environment. However, since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that the present type and levels of development are not sustainable. To take development sustainable, non-renewable sources of energy are the save for the future generation, the development of country would continue, but the technology has made eco-friendly so that it does not harm the environment. Public facilities income by itself it is not completely adequate indicators of material goods and the services that citizens are able to use. Normally, money can't buy a pollution free environment or ensure that we get under uh, and medicines money may also not be able to protect you from infection diseases unless the whole of your community takes preventive steps. This is about development. Thank you for watching video. Have a great day to you. Don't forget to stay tuned to GJS.